Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and today we're going to be talking about the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Plus. You may already have seen the quick review up on the website, but in this video we're going to be discussing why we think it's the best smartphone from the local brand to date. Before we begin, let's show you guys what comes inside the packaging, even though we've already opened it up. You have the phone itself. Our review unit came in black. Other than that, you have all the basic accessories that usually come with a smartphone nowadays, which includes a silicone case, a SIM ejector, which I can't find right now, a charger, and a USB-C cable. Yes, friends, a USB-C cable. You're also getting a pair of earphones plus a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter because they decided to remove the headphone jack on this device. So why do we think that the Flare S7 Plus is the best from Cherry Mobile to date? Well, let's start off with its build quality and design. What you're seeing on screen is the previous iteration of this device, the S6 Plus. It had a unibody metal build that some of you might prefer, but it's 2018 guys, it's all about having a glass back and a metal frame, which the S7 Plus is definitely rocking. It's a little plain compared to all the mid-range devices that have gradients, but something can be said about it being sleek and elegant, though it's not just about the looks. Thanks to the glass back on the S7 Plus, you can actually charge the phone wirelessly, something you don't see on most mid-range phones in the market. Another reason why we're so impressed with this smartphone is its processing package. Under the hood of the S7 Plus is a Helio P60 processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. Before this, Cherry had a penchant for using SoCs that were a tad outdated, and this time around they're using something very current in the Helio P60 that's also the same processor that you'll find on the Oppo F9 and the recently launched Vivo V11i. Given our time with this device, it's great for day-to-day tasks and even some light gaming as well. One thing that surprised us about the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Plus is its camera performance. On the back, you've got a 16MP rear camera at an aperture of f2.0, plus a secondary 5MP camera at f2.4. For taking selfies, you have a 16MP front camera at f2.0, and of course, you have AI features built in as well because, again, it is 2018. Let's have a look at some sample photos. We're pretty pleased with the photos coming out of the camera so far, but we'll reserve our final judgments for our full review. As for the rest of its specs, you have a 6.18-inch Full HD Plus TrueView IPS display, a 3000 mAh battery with fast charging, and as mentioned earlier, wireless charging support as well. It runs on Android Oreo 8.1, and there's definitely a skin on top of it, but it's not Cherry OS. So those are just some of the reasons why we think the Flare S7 Plus is Cherry Mobile's best smartphone to date. There's still a lot of tinkering to do with this phone, especially since it isn't running on its final software yet. So we'll have to see if it's really worth considering, but so far, so good. If you're wondering how much this phone is, well, Cherry Mobile hasn't actually given us an official price tag just yet, but from what we've been hearing, it's going to be somewhere around 12,000 pesos, which isn't at all that bad for what you're getting. There should also be a gaming review for this phone up on the channel very soon, so if you want to see how it does with some of our favorite titles on the Google Play Store, make sure you sub to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next videos. That pretty much does it for me. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, have a great week ahead guys, and I'll see you next time.